Greetings and welcome to a journey to one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. This is Nauru, the world's smallest island nation, a place where the echoes of a tumultuous past intertwine with the challenges of the present day. Join me as we venture to this remote corner of the globe, uncovering the shocking and lesser-known facts that make this tiny island nation so captivating. Our exploration begins with a tale of unimaginable riches, a story that unfolds on the tiny island of Nauru, nestled in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. This island, though small in size, once held a treasure that catapulted it to global prominence. There was a time when Nauru boasted one of the highest GDPs per capita on the planet. The island's newfound wealth was evident in its luxurious lifestyle, modern infrastructure, and the prosperity that seemed to touch every corner of the community. The source of this wealth lay beneath its lush, tropical vegetation phosphate, a mineral crucial for agriculture and coveted worldwide. This discovery was nothing short of a miracle for the islanders, promising a future of economic stability and growth. The discovery of these rich phosphate deposits in the early 20th century transformed Nauru into a hub of economic activity. Mining operations began in earnest, and the island quickly became a bustling center of industry. However, this rapid industrialization came at a significant cost. Massive mining operations stripped away the fertile topsoil, leaving behind a stark, otherworldly terrain. The once verdant landscape was replaced by barren, desolate land. The once lush forests dwindled, replaced by jagged limestone pinnacles, remnants of the phosphate-rich rock. These eerie formations stood as a testament to the environmental impact of the mining activities. The influx of wealth brought dramatic changes to the island. Modern amenities, healthcare, and education systems were established, significantly improving the quality of life for the Nauruan people. The island saw the construction of new buildings, hospitals, and schools, marking a period of unprecedented development. But this period of wealth came at a cost. The relentless mining took a heavy toll on Nauru's fragile ecosystem. The environmental damage was extensive, with polluted landscapes and deforestation becoming a common sight. The removal of the phosphate-rich topsoil left the land barren and infertile, making it difficult to grow crops. The once fertile farmland was now a wasteland, unable to support the agricultural needs of the island's population. As the phosphate reserves dwindled, so did Nauru's economic fortunes. The island faced a period of economic decline, with the environmental degradation further exacerbating the challenges. The once thriving mining sites were now abandoned, and the island's future seemed uncertain. Today, the scars of the phosphate boom are still visible across Nauru's landscape. The remnants of the mining operations serve as a stark reminder of the island's tumultuous past and the heavy price it paid for its brief period of prosperity. Yet amidst the challenges, the spirit of the Nauruan people remains undimmed. They are determined to forge a sustainable future for their island home, through community efforts and a renewed focus on environmental conservation. The people of Nauru are working together to rebuild and restore their island, holding on to hope for a brighter tomorrow. The story of Nauru's economy is a tale of two extremes. Once a beacon of wealth and prosperity, this tiny island nation in the Pacific Ocean experienced a meteoric rise and a devastating fall. In the early 20th century, Nauru discovered vast reserves of phosphate, a valuable mineral used in fertilizers. This discovery transformed the island almost overnight. As the easily accessible phosphate reserves dwindled, so did the flow of wealth that had transformed Nauru. The decline of the phosphate industry exposed the fragility of Nauru's economic model. The infrastructure built during the boom years began to crumble, and the once thriving industrial sites turned into ghost towns. Heavily reliant on a single resource, the nation struggled to diversify its economy. Local businesses faced hardships, and unemployment rates soared as the phosphate industry collapsed. The dwindling revenues led to a sharp decline in government spending, impacting essential services. Schools, hospitals, and other public institutions faced severe budget cuts, affecting the quality of life for Nauruans. Efforts to salvage the economy, including a trust fund, were hampered by mismanagement and corruption. The government's attempts to invest in new ventures often ended in failure, further draining the nation's limited resources. The global financial crisis of 2008 dealt a further blow to Nauru's already fragile economy. International aid and loans became harder to secure, and the island's financial woes deepened. Today, Nauru is classified as a least developed country by the United Nations. This designation highlights the severe economic challenges the nation faces, including high poverty rates and limited access to global markets. Despite these challenges, the Nauruan people remain resilient, exploring new avenues for economic growth. Initiatives in renewable energy, tourism and fisheries are being pursued to create a more sustainable future. The story of Nauru's economic rise and fall underscores the importance of responsible resource management and good governance. It serves as a cautionary tale for other nations, reminding us that true prosperity requires careful planning and sustainable practices. The challenges facing Nauru extend far beyond its economic struggles. The legacy of the phosphate boom looms large, casting a long shadow over Nauru's present and future. The once fertile central plateau now resembles a lunar landscape dotted with jagged limestone pinnacles. With limited arable land, Nauru is heavily reliant on imported food, making it vulnerable to global price fluctuations. The impacts of climate change pose an existential threat to Nauru, with rising sea levels and extreme weather events. The health of Nauru's marine ecosystem, a vital source of food and livelihood, is also under threat. Despite these challenges, the Nauruan people have shown remarkable resilience implementing sustainable practices. Efforts are underway to rehabilitate the degraded land and strengthen the health system. Nauru's story highlights the vulnerability of small island developing states and the importance of international cooperation. Amidst the challenges, the spirit of the Nauruan people shines through. Their resilience and determination are evident in every aspect of their daily lives, from the way they greet each other with warm smiles to the communal gatherings that bring everyone together. These gatherings are not just social events, they are a testament to the strong bonds that hold the community together, a reflection of their shared history and collective identity. Their rich cultural heritage provides a sense of identity and continuity in a rapidly changing world. Festivals and celebrations are vibrant displays of their traditions, where traditional attire is worn with pride and heritage sites are revered as sacred spaces that connect the past with the present. These events are more than just a spectacle. They are a living, breathing part of Nauruan culture, passed down through generations. The Nauruan language, a distinct branch of the Austronesian language family, is a source of immense pride. It is not merely a means of communication, but a vital link to their ancestors and a key component of their cultural identity. Language classes, often held outdoors, are a common sight, where young and old come together to learn and preserve their linguistic heritage. Traditional dance and music play an integral role in Nauruan culture, telling stories of the island's creation and ancestors' voyages. These performances are not just entertainment, they are a form of storytelling, a way to pass down history and values. The rhythmic beats of traditional instruments and the graceful movements of dancers encapsulate the essence of Nauruan heritage. Family and community lie at the heart of Nauruan society, providing a vital support system in times of hardship. The close-knit nature of Nauruan families ensures that no one is ever truly alone. Community events and family gatherings are frequent, reinforcing the bonds that keep the society strong. Children playing together under the watchful eyes of elders symbolize the continuity of traditions and the nurturing of future generations. Elders play a vital role in preserving and transmitting traditional knowledge to younger generations. Their wisdom and experience are invaluable, and their stories are a rich tapestry of the island's history and culture. Through storytelling and hands-on teaching, elders ensure that the younger generation understands and appreciates their heritage, fostering a sense of pride and responsibility. Despite modern influences, the Nauruan people have preserved many aspects of their traditional way of life. Traditional fishing techniques, crafts, and cooking methods are still practiced, serving as a bridge between the past and the present. These activities are not just about survival. They are a celebration of their cultural identity and a way to keep their traditions alive. The resilience of Nauruan culture is a testament to the strength and adaptability of its people. Cultural ceremonies and community rebuilding efforts highlight their ability to come together in times of need, drawing strength from their shared heritage. These events are a powerful reminder of the enduring spirit of the Nauruan people. In the face of adversity, the Nauruan people have drawn upon their cultural heritage, finding strength in their traditions and community. Their ability to adapt while holding on to their roots is a testament to their resilience. As they work together dressed in traditional attire, celebrating their culture, they embody the enduring spirit of Nauru, a small island with a rich and vibrant cultural legacy. Despite its diminutive size, Nauru occupies a significant position on the world stage. Located in the Pacific Ocean, Nauru finds itself at the crossroads of geopolitical interests. Nauru has become a focal point for diplomatic engagement, with countries seeking to secure influence in this region. Nauru has emerged as a vocal advocate for small island developing states, particularly on climate change. Nauru's voice has resonated within international forums, advocating for ambitious emissions reduction targets. Beyond climate change, Nauru has engaged in efforts to combat illegal fishing and promote sustainable development. Nauru has also played a unique role in international affairs, hosting refugees and asylum seekers under agreements with Australia. Nauru's story on the world stage is a testament to the influence even the smallest of nations can wield in international affairs. As our journey to Nauru draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of admiration for the resilience of its people. This tiny island nation has faced unimaginable challenges, yet the spirit of the Nauruan people has endured. They are determined to chart a sustainable future, working tirelessly to rehabilitate their environment and diversify their economy. If this exploration of Nauru has ignited your curiosity, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more journeys to the far corners of our planet.